Welcome to the 10-year series app. In today's video, I'll be covering the tutor listing. So there will be three components that I'll be covering. The first one is how you can get help, how you can earn, and how you can give help.
How you can get help. Tutor by level. Message the tutor by clicking on the chat icon. So the subjects they teach can be found in the tutor's listing.
How you can earn. If you intend to teach, you can do so by creating a profile. Select the level and subjects that you would like to teach. Do a short write-up about yourself. Most importantly, please attach a profile picture and avoid inappropriate images. From experience, having a profile provides authenticity when parents and students are in the tutor selection process.
How can you give help? Answers questions posted on Ask Homework question. Your responses will be shown on your profile and serve as a good portfolio when parents are evaluating for tutors.
Earn money, build your portfolio, or find your ideal tutor. If you do have any other questions or if you're looking for collaborations, you can drop us a message at admin@holdtheholding.com. Alternatively, you can also drop us a message on the forum.